Ever bring home your report card and feel the need to hide it from your parents? Or get lectured that you don't try hard enough at school? Well, maybe you're not completely the one to blame. Scientific research helped us to understand that inherited genes don't just have an influence on your physical features, but also on how well you do in school. It all started with the sperm and the egg coming together. And that's where you come in. Everything about you is predetermined before you were born. Your DNA carries your genes, which creates your genetic makeup that makes you unique from everyone else. These are kind of like ingredients to a recipe. Just as flour, eggs, and butter are transformed into many different types of baked goods, genetic components can be made into many different configurations. The Human Genome Project is a scientific research project with a goal to discover the blueprints of your entire genetic makeup. They discovered that your genes are made up of 4 smaller parts called nitrogenous bases, shown by A's, G's, C's, and T's, which stand for adenine, guanine, cytosine, and thymine. These 4 parts are paired up to form every little thing about you. This chain of letters is made up of 3 billion pairs of nucleotides. If you were to stretch out your DNA, it would be approximately 2 meters long. Imagine that. If we zoom into this sequence, the combination of some of these letters are in control of specific things, including your hair color, your eye color, and even some personality traits. So who says there can't be one in control of your intelligence? Considering we get half our DNA from our father and the other half from our mother, we know the sequence of letters is actually inherited.
So does that mean if my mom got a 90 in math when she was in high school, will I get the same grade?
Not necessarily. Success in school doesn't solely have to do with our genetic makeup. Nature versus nurture actually plays a role in our grades.
Wait, what's nature versus nurture?
It is a psychological term related to whether heredity or environment most impacts the human psychological development, such as your intelligence. Research has shown that up to 40% of your IQ is inherited, leaving the rest to environmental factors. These are aspects such as how you were raised, your work ethics, and even your personality. They could all have an impact on your success in school.
So to answer your question, although you are mainly responsible for your grades, the genes which you inherit from your parents do have a big influence on your success in school.
Scientifically, you can partially blame your parents for that F, but I'll leave it up to you to tell them that.